thing every real poggies. Hi, Shirokuma. Yeah, Mike, do some. Yeah, choose the unboxing. So, fun fact, I actually already recorded me opening 2 Elite Trainer boxes of both Crown Zenith and the Violet box of Scarlet and Violet. But I did it in German so far because I wanted to see, like, on the YouTube side, how many views I might able to get with, like, a German opening. Like, I open German packs, so I think German, like, talking in German for the opening should be maybe better. I don't know. So yeah, this is like just an experiment to see how it works. So since I did both ETBs on German, I thought, you know what? I have one big boy here, one chunky boy with a lot of boosters, and might as well try to stream that in English. My girlfriend is, by the way, on the side. She will also opening some packs, and she just brought such a musket plush, you know, for a little bit good luck charm. But yeah, let's get right into it and see what we can get out of here. By the way, this is actually my first time I'm opening like a full display, so I'm really scared how it goes, but there it is. Kind of sad that, you know, it's not the Lugia on the top, but 36 boosters. So I moved that to the side here so we can see the progress. And yeah, first pack magic. Let's see how it goes. So I think I know the Patrick. I just don't know how to open the stuff. I think it's like, can I turn it around or not? I can't turn it around. Okay, so I remove the code card. We don't look at it. We do 4 from the back. Clean, okay. Energy. Aroma. Wailord. I love that art, dude. He looks so happy. He's such a happy boy. A Raichu. Togedemaru. By the way, if you don't know the German names, I'm really sorry, but you need to live with that. Garnovil. Flauschling. Gastella. Zervol. Vulcan Reverse, and Cobalium Non-Hollow. Pokemon in real life gacha. Yep, Yannick, you got it right. But thanks for the blesses. Maybe with the Lugia pack, we get some bless pulls here, you know. Turn around, card to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Energy. Then Quartettstein. Interesting. Oh, more Pekko. I love that. I don't know why, but the idea of an angry Pikachu clone is like a really funny idea. Palim. One of my favorites, to be honest, like of the 3rd generation at least. Well, when I first saw that in the anime, it was like, dude, it's so cute. I want that. I was so happy when I finally found it in the game. Bashwa. Things. Oh, Pikachu with Dedan and Togedemaru in the background. Actually looks cool. FM, okay. She get to the reverse. Yep, Goldra reverse and... Oh! Let's go! Let's go! Regidrago V ordered! Dude! Look at that! The 2nd pack! Oh, that looks clean, dude. Oh... Already worth it. It's not the Lugia, but GG, yeah. Okay. Pack number 3. After 6 pack, I think we swap, and my girlfriend can open like 6 packs, and then we swap it again. Something like that until we through it. Okay, turn it around. Code card. By the way, if you want to use them, feel free to use them. I don't use them. But okay. Energy. Arbeiterin. Sunflora. Urzeitlicher Altar. Rotom. Aspiror. Goldra. Funpi. Datiri. Schnäppke Reverse. And Sarah Orna Hollow. Okay. Pack number 4, I think. All I know is you can actually look at the other side of the code card to see the color. And with that, you can know if you get a hit or not. But I'm not into looking into that. I like the surprise more of just like opening it up and see it for myself, you know? Okay. Water energy. Unknown fossil. Click Clack. Lepumentas. Resladero. Geronimats. Flammeow. Also, by the way, I love this evolution line in this set. Like, the Shy Kitty until the end, it looks so good. It's so cute. Kramux. Wablu. Golbat reverse. And Fennekin non-hollow. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Dark energy. Ooh. Pandra. Nice one. Metang. Anoret. Zubat. Hydraulon. Tampignon. We're not yet on Among Us, guys. We're not yet Among Us. We're close to Among Us. Sankabu. Relicanth. Tanhel reverse. So far no trainer gallery. That's weird, but you know, we got a big pull already, so that's fine. And Catapultra Hollow. Let's go. Actually, a hollow I wanted. Good pack. Like, I know the value of these cards are not that good, but I'm happy with the code card. Psychic energy. Ugh. That artwork is interesting from Asana. Anglostella. Professor Laven. Datiri. Weberak. Tanhir. Glibunkel. Monocyto. Pupans Reverse and Traumagil non-hollow. Okay. Vorhalten. So genau. Überlegen. Jetzt 4 Karten.
2, 3, 4 und dann.
Genau. Hey, Pokemon Master already here in the makings. Okay, Fire Energy. Colossant. Dragoneer. Good looking card. Toxiquack. Kramorx. Emolga. Medite. Vermicula. Rassler. Come on. Oh! Let's go. Another hit. There we go. Riot Trainer Full Art. Let's go. And Ursaluna V right behind. Double banger, dude.
Ein Tüte.
Ja.
Ich hab Tütchen.
I don't know how she does it, guys, but like her luck is insane with like everything she touched.
Das
Code card.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Perfect. Okay, Electro Energy. Kirlia. Omot. Oh, there's the second stage of Flammeow, guys. Mitsunda. A little bit more active here. Vulpix. Ramato. Vulcano. Raunfugir. Valma. The code card, dude! What the heck? Durala on gold! And another behind! What the heck? Yeah, guys, I let her do my next gacha pulls. Hi, Stevie, welcome. I should stop streaming and let her do the streams. Everyone will watch her with that luck, dude. 2 packs back-to-back bangers, dude. What the hell? Okay, third pack. Why can't you? They ask if you can do the next Pulse in Genshin for them.
Okay. Ich hab sehr großes Gacha-Glück.
Okay, another code card.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay. We have a V marker this time. No energy. Sag. Golbat. Oh, Dialgon. I love that card. Arena Trainer. Another Flammeow. Okay. Liminip. Lampi. Castadur. Another Pikachu. Oh, nice. Another Rosaria. Reverse. Oh, and the Terrakium Hollow. Let's make it a little bit more clean on screen, you know. Okay, there we go. Code card.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Not a marker, okay. Yeah, I need to break from Kono Fan Wailing, so I tried for real life gacha. Megalon. Utena. Simvolara. Click. Flunschlick. Togedemaru. Xiao, let's go. Look at that. Look at that. It's
Cute.
really cute. So cute. Barbeagle, okay. Aranestro, reverse, and Arcanine V. My third Arcanine V. I mean, she cosplays Aqua, so yeah. Code.
1, 2, 3,
Okay, the Summer Energy.
4.
Grass Energy, my prediction. Ah, Steel, damn it. Balantor. Frida. Okaman. Gardevoir back to back. Wow, interesting. Things, okay.
Cute.
Ramux. Tanhill. Dratini. And Blutzug Reverse and Amida non-hologram. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. This time, come on. Psychic. Ah, fighting. Okay. Aranestro. Humanolith. Tentante. Oh, that looks clean, dude. By the way, fake Aqua. It's Araqua. Close enough, I mean. You know, but we got our Aqua blessings for today, so hopefully we get some more pulls. Pandir. Bashwa. FM. Schnäppke. Resladero Reverse and Fiaro non-holographic. Why do I even open packs, guys? Why do I even open packs? Just let my girlfriend do it for myself. But you know, it's fun. It's not something I plan to do like regularly, but like once in a while, maybe. Especially if you guys enjoy it, you know, I can do it more often maybe. Water Energy. Datirgis. Click-Clack. Nordvageli. Rotom. Goldra. Ooh. Vulpix. Ponyta. Bluesuk. And... The reverse, dude. That's an artwork. Like... Okay. And... Hisui Drosella. Non-hologram. I'm scared, okay? But... Praise Ares for this one, I guess. Praise Cat Ares for this one, okay? Cat Ares, maybe Cat Ares brings the goods, you know? Dark Energy. Dragoneer. Vasily. Lantern. Pigrowlon. Tanpignon. Pupanze. Also clay figure. I don't know why, but I love these clay figures. So cool. Oh, Sunkern. Look at it. Look at him. He's so happy. Such a happy boy. Vampy. Emolga Reverse. And Fiara non-hologram. Aqua will for sure bless me, guys. Aqua will for sure bless me with the Lugia pack. Lugia, Queen of the Seas, you know, water and stuff like that. Fits with Aqua, so of course this pack will bring me the lucks, will bring me the goods. Water Energy, Brian, Altaria, Siegfried, Servol, Garstella, Traunfugir, Wablu, Flauschling, Vasily Reverse. Oh, sad. I hope for something better. And the non. Dude! What is with my luck? 5th pack. Before we swap again. Yeah, it's funny that Lugia is not a water type, but actually they made an interview a while ago when they asked about it, and they said they made it Psychic because back then Psychic was like a really, really strong type, one of the strongest, and they wanted to make the legendaries a fitting type for that to make them stronger, and water flying wasn't like something too crazy. So they decided Psychic would be the stronger type for legendary, and that's why Lugia is actually like Psychic, not water. Unknown fossil, V energy, meet Sunder again. By the way, I love this artwork. Like, it's a typical cat trying to get into the fish tank, get some fishies. Weberak, Trasla, also amazing background here. Like, it looks so cute, dude. It looks so cute. Glibunkel, Monocyto, Zubat, Garner Reverse. I don't have luck with trainer galleries, guys. I don't have luck with that. Our Opterix Holo. Yay, we at least got a Holo, boy. My best pulls out of 5 packs so far is a Holo. Maybe just end your gacha career. Maybe that would be the better idea here. Choo. I mean, I pull the most valuable cards so far out of this packs, okay? Like, I pulled the best cards so far. So for me, it's quality over quantity, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. But I really hope I get more trainer gallery pulls out of these than I haven't so far. Arbeiterin, Sunflora, also looks really cute. Lettriger Town Poncho, what the heck is that card? Sankabu, Relicanth, Resladero, Togedemaru, a little minute. Come on, please. Barbie girl, let's go. We got one. We got something. We got something, boys. Barbie will trainer gallery.
Ooh.
That's a good one. I'm happy with that. And Zygarde non-holographic. Trying to Poketubers. I mean, I try to make some Pokemon content, so you know. But yeah, now let's swap again to see if she can just beat me out again. To just get like 5 pulls out of 6 packs.
Hi.
Did it, guys. She did it. Old card.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Watch this, guys. Insta pull first pack just because troll me. Fire energy. Okay. Schlappbohr. Vertetzstein. Regenerative Energie. Marshwa. Sleeping on the Sea. Emolga also looks pretty cute. Another Palim. Let's go. Aspiror.
Oh, wie süß.
Yep. Really cute. Romato. Rokaiman reverse. Okay. Missouri Interstellar. Non-holographic. Again.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Electro Energy. Kolossand. Metang. Kimono-Trägerin. Pikachu. Vulcano. Klick. Walmer. Dratini. Runtena Reverse and Fuego non-holographic. At least we finally got a Fuego. We finished the line.
Schon die Hälfte.
Look at it. It's now it's done with hunting. It finally fully evolved and now I can finally sleep. We're over half. Ich hab schon ein Pack von drüben genommen.
Ah, okay. Habe ich nicht mitbekommen.
Code card.
1, 2, 3, 4. Da.
Fighting Energy. Blabderix. Serena. Sandra. Tanhir. Blauschlink. Vulpix. Schnäppke. Satiri. Xiao Reverse. Ooh, good one. Keldeo non-holographic. Code card. Water Energy. Bolona. Depumentas. Hypno. Flamiel. Hieronymats. Sphinx. Vermicula. Emolga. Traumat. Now we have Tomato and Hypnos reverses. What the frick? And a Collecty Clock non-hologram. Code card.
Eins, zwei, drei, 4.
Dark Energy. Dawn Fun. Normal one. No future or historic one. Mitodas. Wildard. Bonita. Blitzuk. Trasla. Pandir. Vampy. Come on, it's finally time for another good reverse. Oh, Ariada's reverse. I mean, it looks clean, but like, it's not a good pull. Arcana. Non-holographic.
Das letzte.
So far, not the most pulls, which is kind of sad. I thought if I go with this play that actually has trainer gallery in there, I should have at least a decent pull rate. But I think I have more packs that have no pulls, like by a lot, than having pulls. Which is kind of worrying. Where's the YouTuber luck, guys? Where's the YouTuber luck? Code card.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Psychic. Psychic for Lugia, guys. Can we pull a Lugia? Can we pull the Ho-Oh? Like, I want the Ho-Oh V at least. Toxiquack. Professor Laven. Xiao. Ratiri. Ratini. Lampi. Bidite. Araqua. Another fake Aqua. Arbeiterin reverse. Dude, what the heck is going on? Galapa hologram. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fire Energy. Zabolane. Ramchef. Raichu. Sunkern. Click. Little Minip. Castadur. Barbeagle. Come on, give me something. Shiny Frial. I mean, it's something, but it's a dupe. Out of all the shinies I could have gotten, I get a dupe. And Amorosa V. I mean, at least it's double pull. At least it's something. Code card. Let me remove the old cards, by the way. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, there's my Leaf Energy. Okay, this is the pack, guys. This is the pack. Rutena, Morpeko, Ergreifendes Aroma, Garnovil, Blauschling, Garstella, Servol, Pupanze, Sphinx Reverse, and Sapriel V-Star. I think it's our first V-Star? Again, not the Lugia V-Star. How do we avoid the Lugias? There are like 7 Lugias. Code card. Water Energy. Notfallgelee. Urzeitlicher Altar. Didden. Barschwa. Sphinx. Pikachu. FM. Togedemaru. Come on, give me something. Pyraul on reverse, and you have, code card. Steel Energy. Burnontor, Frida, Megalon, Aspiro, Goldra, Vampy, Natiri, Palim, come on, please. Urzeitlichhalter Reverse. Flunky with full art. I mean, it's something. It's a full art. I think it's our first full art, right? So it's the alternative artwork. We literally hit everything besides Lugias and Toes. Dude! Oh no! Card. I think I saw some white, so I don't think there's something in here. Vista, Rokaiman, Aronif, Xiaogon, female again, Geronimats, Flamiao, Kramux, Vablu, Rotom, Expert Reverse. You know what? I'll take that. I love Expert. I love it. Like, this card looks good. Like, for Dark, the reverse pattern actually looks clean. And for Stradian and Hollow. Code card. Come on. Give me some luck with this pack, please. Fighting Energy, Agrostella, Siegfried, Click-Clack, Pygraulon, Tarnpignon, Sankabu, Relicant, Resladero, Vulpix Reverse, and Among Us, guys. It's Among Us. And then add who you want to blast and not the luck thing.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Water Energy, Brian, Altaria, looks also really good. Metang, Weberak, Tanhil, Glibunkel, Monocyto, Zubat, come on, something. Xiaogon Reverse, I'll take it, I guess. Vulpix V-Star, a second V-Star. Still no Lugia! Dude!
1, 2, 3, 4.
Lightning Energy, Omod, Vasily, Rosanna again, Emolga, Meditje, Vermicula, Dressler, not Tesla, Trassler, Datiri, another dupe, yay! And a Combalium non. Yeah, somewhat, any Lugia, please, I would be happy. But like, gimme.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, Grass Energy, Kirlia, Mitsunda again, Dragonier, Ramato, Vulcano, Groundvogel, Weimar, come on, Kramox, come on, Serena Reverse, and Hisuian Wakashavil.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Another Grass Energy, okay, this time, guys. Another Serena. Simvolara. Arena Trainer. Little Minip. Lumpy. Castadua, let's go. I think it's our first one as well. Pikachu. Vulpix. Tentacruel Reverse. And a Viridium non-hologram. That's why I'm trying it. To see like how well will the YouTube video do and how well will the stream do.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Fire Energy, okay. Fire for Ho-V. Non-fun. Rutena. Flapor. Big Häschen. Big Bunny. Lunchlick. Togedemaru. Another Psiao. Barbeagle. Flamiel. Pikachu reverse. My girlfriend is happy about that one, I think.
Yes.
Rapiga. Ah!
That's true.
Second to last pack. Dude, if the videos do well, I might do more Pokemon packs regularly. I don't know. I'll grow my channel to at least 1k subs, so everything that helps there, I will do. I'll try. So yeah, we'll see how it goes.
2, 3, 4.
Fee says it will be this pack, so let's hope that something is here. Steel Energy. Humanoid. Golbat. Kimono-Trägerin. It's the first time we've got her, I think. Thanks. Tramox. Sunhill. Satini. Click. Flamiau reverse, okay. Sarah Aranon Hollow. No. Should have started a stream on TikTok. I mean, I can still make this a TikTok video, but I don't know about streaming. But yeah, it could be a good idea. I just don't know how to stream on TikTok as well. Let's pray for some last pack magic, guys. Code card. There's something in here, guys. There's something in here. At least a hollow. At least a hollow. Hopefully something better. Let's find out together. Fighting Energy. Lantern. Unknown Fossil. Aranestro. Andia. Ashwa. FM. By the way, if you're watching this on YouTube, please remember to like and subscribe. Let me know if I should do more Pokemon content. Because, you know, the more feedback, the better. Ganovir. That Tiergis reverse and Dragoran Hollow. Okay, well, let's go through our packs or our big hitters one last time. We have another Asana Trainer Gallery. Alone Vulpix V-Star. Blonky V Full Art. Sapri Royale V-Star. Amorosa V. Shiny Royale. Farb Evil Trainer Gallery. Arcanine V. Usulana V. Magerna V. Our Roy Trainer Full Art, I think. Our Gold card. Duraludon VMAX. And the best pull art today, Regidrago V Full Art. Again, kind of sad. We got like 0 Lugias. We got 0 holes. Like, I opened this display because I wanted at least the Ho-Oh V. Like, that was the bare minimum pull I wanted. I wanted the Ho-Oh V. I didn't get it. I got a lot of other pulls though. So yeah, I still think it was a success. Like, if we go with like rarity, we have like, I think 5 Vs, 5 regular Vs, 1 V full art. We got 2 V stars, 1 shiny, 2 trainer, 1 full art. Can you move this a little bit better, the shots, so people can probably see them? Yeah, that looks better. There we go. I have too much stuff here. Let's move that on top because that's the more important one, I think. There we go. Auto pulse. This is my desk. Yeah, the gold card isn't really important. That's something I know. Like, I really wanted the Rayquaza gold card because I think it looks amazing with the black gold. Again, one OV would be really nice. I have the Lugia V already, so I don't need that. But like the Lugia Full Art, the Lugia V Star, the Lugia gold card, also really cool. The Lugia Alternator Aqua Force, the big hit of this pack, and like only true L2 trainer gallery cards is like really bad. I mean, this was 36. Like, yeah, I know I got like 4 cards out of the reverse slot. I think maybe 5 of the shinies also in there, but like the amount of pulls out of this part of the set is like really low. But yeah, that's it with Pokemon cards for today. Again, I will make this a YouTube video, so if you enjoyed it, you know, at least maybe tune into YouTube video, write a comment if you want to see more, since the vote or the poll on Twitch did like nothing for me with only 2 people voting.